What's going on, guys? Welcome to Po Boys. I'm Po. That's Dale. Say hi, Dale.
What's up, boys?
Well, what do we have here?
I'm Gavin.
Hola. It's just a little slow car. It's got a little snail on it.
A little snail.
A little snail. That shit's freaking huge. It's pretty quick, but either way, he says, what's going on with it?
I broke some stuff. I gotta fix it.
So he decided to bring over a TIG machine, which is literally my favorite thing to weld. And I'm gonna weld him up, whatever the heck he needs welded up. So, oh my gosh, it just started again. There's tornadoes that touched down literally like a few miles from here. We're about to start welding on this car and literally the tornado sirens are going off. So, all right, so what we're gonna do is since the tornado sirens went off, we're gonna have him go home tonight. So we're gonna just practice welding. I'm gonna teach Gavin how to TIG weld and we're gonna be able to do it the second day. Let's hear this thing turn on. So fresh and so clean. That's perfect. So now we can get our welding station set back up and teach people how to TIG and lift up. It's so much easier having a lift. We don't need tables because we have a lift. If you would have busted your ass, I would have recorded it. Let me teach you like what exactly. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna rest this right there. Make sure that tungsten doesn't hit any of the metal. It's kind of pushed inside of there. But you're gonna take it and you're gonna basically walk the cup. See how I'm moving the cup as I'm going?
I see that.
And then whenever you need more metal, what you're gonna see is a hole. You're just gonna take that metal and all you wanna do is push
like solder and push it in?
You push it into the puddle. You're gonna see a definite puddle. And as soon as you push it into the puddle, you're gonna be able to tap it in there. And if it's not in the puddle, if you don't push that into the puddle, the hot red molten metal, then it'll stick to it and you'll have to peel it off.
Okay.
So just get your first run with it just to understand what I'm talking about and then we'll go from there. All right, so the first weld that Gavin has ever TIG welded.
I've never TIG welded a day in my life. Damn, I was doing halfway decent at first before it messed up.
That doesn't look bad at all. Problem you were having is you were skipping it and it was moving up a little bit.
Yep.
But honestly, that's not bad for your first TIG weld at all.
Let me give it a shot again. I think I can get this fast.
Do a burnout.
Are you gonna do a burnout in reverse?
I could do all the above.
So you're trying to get in third?
No, I'm not. I'm just gonna hit second. Are you gonna roll backwards and dump it? Yeah. Try that. Oh, it'll do it. It'll do it. Don't do it. Did you just break it already? It felt like it. That's called wheel hop. It wheel hop. Bang. Hey, go in reverse again. Do the same thing in second, but smash the brake after. That was second. It's barely still running. That means keep going. I don't know. I don't like it. It just turned off. Did it turn off, bro? I didn't turn it off. It's low on power. He's falling out of gear! Come on! You gotta keep the RPM up. I am not doing that. It's cutting itself off. Does it have traction control? No, it's got nothing. This car has no traction control.
Gavin, what do you think about that?
Go, bro, go!
Let me drive real quick. I'll be right back.
Alright. Something's wrong with it.
Yeah, what the hell is this doing?
What'd you do? I don't fucking know. I was driving on the road and it goes.
Pop your hood.
It's like fireworks.
That might be an issue.
Hey. No, that's not a problem. Oh yeah, it is.
It is when it's plugged in. Yeah.
That's the problem.
Cut it off. There's a belt right there.
That belt.
No, you don't. It doesn't matter.
You need a little lubricant. But the thing is, the whole car would die. Like it would die as soon as I gave it time.
It won't now.
It's good. Let's do it.
Now you have all the power.
Now you got it all back.
Yep. All 117 torque.
All 16 horsepower.
Look, the heat was down for me.
Yeah. There it goes.
I bet when it wheel hopped real bad, it flopped out.
Boom.
saw the smoke. Was that from the clutch or was that from?
Yeah, that was from the clutch.
Awesome.
All right, Austin, don't let us down.
Hey! Hey, let's go, Austin! Dump it! Hell yeah! Let's go! Tornado sirens.
Oh, they're back.
Hey, see over there?
I'm not even gonna lie, that does not.
That looks bad. I'd like to point out.
Wait. Look. Oh shit. Look, dead serious. Look right there, dead serious.
It's trying to be.
It's trying its best.
It's trying.
Whoa.
Hey, let me just put this on record. The tornadoes are coming from that way and that just came here.
Tornado warning.
Yeah. Oh shit.
Oh my gosh, my phone has too many. Hey, it's windy. Take shelter now, folks. All right, the rain's coming in. We're coming in hot too.
Hey, I gotta go to the house.
You gotta go to the house right now. Letty, you can get this. You got this, Letty. They're literally getting inside of the car. The safest place to be is inside of the race car with the cage. All right, guys, so last tornado video. Yeah, last tornado video. There was one time I chased a tornado. There was one time I was in a tornado. And now there's a time where we're all just chilling with tornadoes. Because
I ain't playing, I'm popping my happy ass.
all right, there's the power. Power's gone. Dude, that one lightning strike hit the power pole. This is the most sketchy situation. We were just, oh, there's power. We got power again. So welding lessons have been paused. There is a slight problem with the power going on and off and slight tornadoes. But that's what we're dealing with. Welcome to Louisiana. All right, guys, welding tip. If there's a tornado coming in hot, cover up your bottles, put the caps on them so that way the bottles can't get messed up. If you put the tips on them, that's the safest way you're gonna be able to hold them. Yeah, so let's figure out what this whole outside deal is. I gotta do a burnout.
You're not gonna go do a burnout.
Yeah, I am.
Oh, no, you're not.
Dude, how about you grab this?
No balls. You are not. Oh,
Ain't no way.
look at him go. He got second. Oh my god. Oh, you hit the curve. Do a donut!
Do a donut!
Oh. Ooh. That clutch is
Oh, yeah.
Clutch has been done since like an hour ago.
Here it goes. Look. Oh shit.
Okay, there goes his transmission.
I think he's trying to blow that bitch up. He might succeed.
Why don't he fucking rebuild this one before he blows that one up? That way it's just a full. Is that his other cocker? That's the clutch.
I think the clutch is saying bye-bye now.
Saying 100%. He's freaking out. Yo.
Oh, it's smoking.
Hey, can I go do a burnout? Not in my car! You should have went here. Come here. No, come here. You haven't seen it yet. Bam! Oh,
That's a minor inconvenience.
that is minorly stupid. I don't like it. He popped his tire off the
bead. He just DB'd his wheel.
the bead.
Your tire fell off.
It fell off.
Oh my god.
I'm not lying when I told you it fell off. I didn't hit it anywhere.
Jesus. Actually, you did.
Well, I did when I did that turn, but it wasn't this one.
Well, no, you did when you were going up that way. You hit that curb.
Oh, that could have been what it was.
That's what it was.
So we're about to do a burnout. It's breaking up. What's going on, guys? This is a few days later. Apparently I forgot to film an outro and y'all been getting on to me about filming outros, so here we are. This is an outro. I wanted to say thank y'all for watching. Obviously that video, there was no tornado that actually happened, but the sirens were coming through. A few tornadoes touched down a little bit past us, but we didn't get hit by anything. But guys, I do have to tell you something. I got something new for the channel, and if you look at my Instagram, follow my Instagram to keep posted on what's going on. I'm gonna be posting a few pictures and seeing if anyone can guess what it is. But I definitely got a new toy for the channel. Stay tuned on Instagram. First person that gets it right, and I mean specific, first person to get it right gets a shout out. I'll shout you out on Instagram and also shout you out on YouTube. Why not? But either way, guys, thank you very much for watching. Y'all have a great one, and remember to freaking send it.